So to close off this chapter, I thought I'd give you a little heads up on page setup and printing, and some of the things that can be a little bit confusing again, especially if you're under pressure and you're trying to struggle with everything else. And it's even more frustrating when you walk to the printer and a fraction of the drawing comes out. So your first option under File and Page Setup would be to just set the correct size. And this is A1. If we click this drop down, we don't get the A1 option. So I'll cancel out of that. And this is what tends to happen. You go to Print Preview and you get a fraction of the print. What you would need to do is go to the Print function and choose something that will handle that large format. Now, I'm not connected to any large format printers, so I'm going to use the Adobe PDF drivers. And then under Preferences, you can save this as a A1 file. And then OK that. And then I'll apply that, and then I can close this down. So now under my page setup option, I can choose the A1 size, OK that, and then File, Print Preview, I get to see the file as it's intended. And from this I can print. I could alternatively just print from File and Print. Now this is all set up. And the other way of doing it is to go File and Export and then PDF. And then that will generate a PDF file. So if I just save that here, I get these options, output quality. It's up to you whether you want to create the layers from layout layers. And I'll show export in PDF viewer. So click on export. Then that's going to generate the file. And once you've got hold of a PDF, then that's available for sending off electronically or again sending to the printer. So that concludes this chapter. We're now going to create a template in Layout, and we're going to save that as our default working template, and then we'll start adding content to that.